let me tell y'all, if you're looking for quality hair, you can stop right here. Stop right here because you found it. K.O. Hair Collection. Follow me on Instagram at k.o.haircollection. Actually, no, I changed my Instagram name. Knockout Hair Collection. That's what K.O. stands for anyways, Knockout. At Knockout Hair Collection. Or follow my main Instagram at Otasha, OTASHA _ Vioni, VEONE. Follow me right now because I'm going to solve all your bad weave problems, okay? Quality, this is my Peruvian straight. It's just been curled, flex ride, you know. Get with it. Get with this quality, okay? If y'all want to have a hair good weave challenge, let's go. Let's get it. I think I already won. Okay. Oh, who that girl with the good hair? Oh, that's Otasha. She always got her hair slayed. Period. That's me. Okay. So if y'all liking this volume, this quality, shop K.O. Hair Collection. I'm just here to solve y'all's bad weave problems. Okay, good weave or no weave. Period. That's my motto. I'm here to steer y'all in the right direction when it comes to hair. I hate bad weave. It makes me cringe. Oh God, I hate even thinking about it. I hate looking at it. I really hate seeing it because it just makes me talk shit, and I don't want to talk shit. Girl, I just want to offer you better hair. That's it. But yeah, period. Peruvian hair is my favorite. When you got good hair, you just the shit. Can't nobody tell you shit. They gonna be looking at you up and down like, damn, that bitch weave is good. That's what you want. And that's what I get. That's the type of energy I get. When I walk through, I know my weave good just by how bitches be looking. Yep, bitch. I want them to look. Because as soon as they look, here go my card. Shop. K.O. Hair Collection. I'm located in Murfreesboro, but I'll ship to you quick. Fast hurry. My name is Otasha. Queen of hair. Good weave or no weave. Period. Okay? Y'all need to quit letting people play y'all, buying all these spending all y'all good money on these badass bundles, okay? Not everybody hair is good. Stop shopping by people's name and their brand, okay? Just because they got their name is up here doesn't mean their quality is up here, okay? Period. That be y'all problem. And that be why y'all be getting bad hair. Just because they famous don't mean their hair good. Okay? Because I've actually worked with some good quality hair that wasn't so good quality. I'm just here to offer y'all good hair, okay? You pay for what you get. Y'all need to remember that. You pay for what you get. But then again, that don't even be meaning shit because you can spend some good ass money on some hair and that shit still be trash. I'm trying to solve y'all problems. I'm trying to keep y'all away from them type of situations. All I want to do is offer y'all good hair. That's it. That's all I want to do is get my brand out there so everybody can be excuse me. You see this weave? This look like some expensive ass weave, and it is. Okay. Y'all see this volume? Bitch. What? That's how we turn up, bitch. See this weave? That's all. Y'all. That's it. Otasha with the good weave or no weave. Nah, y'all see this. Y'all see this? I feel like my quality speaks for itself. I feel like my brand just speaks for itself. My custom coloring just speaks for itself. I feel like you can actually go on my Instagram pages and like be like, damn, you know, her shit is good. Her hair always is good. And this is just not a video type of look. Like when I turn this camera off, my hair's still gonna be good. I ain't that type. You know, you can get in the camera and be like, your hair this, your hair that, and the shit do look good, but it don't be good. This ain't that. Okay? Ain't that. You wake up and it still be like this. This ain't that shit you gotta. Nah, this ain't that. This ain't. Nah, this understand it. This is just some good ass weave right here. This is just some good ass weave you're looking at. This that photo shoot weave, okay? Bitch, you wanna go? Bitch, let me say, this weave's so good, y'all. I was laying in the bed, I had a little headache. I said, you know what? My hair is looking too good for me to be laying in this bed. Let me get up. Let me make a little video, show y'all this quality. Let me scoot closer. 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 Y'all see it. See, good weave gives you the confidence you need. Good weave just, you know, have you feeling like that bitch. Like, bitch, what? I know my weave is good, what? I just gotta run into the right person. You know, I got my little hair boutique and stuff. And honestly, I feel like I put my hair boutique in the wrong city. I'm definitely in the wrong city with this quality. Because motherfuckers in my city don't be wanting to spend on no good hair, okay? You pay for what you get. Okay, you gotta pay for this quality. It's gonna fall out the fucking sky. Okay, shout out Tasha. But for real, y'all. Follow me on Instagram if you like this hair quality. I'm really trying to work on getting my brand out there. I really want to work with, you know, some people that make hair videos, you know, got a nice following. So if you come across this video and you are that, hit me up, okay? Because I'm just trying to get my brand out there. So if you got a nice little following and you make those type of videos where you're reviewing hair, things like that, I'm only looking for people with a nice following that can help me take my brand to the next level. Let me know, because I'm that girl that's going, oh, you want some hair, you want to assess my hair, let me pack this up, let me ship this on off to you. I'm that girl, okay? So I just feel like I have the quality, I have the personality, I have the drive. I'm a go-getter. I just haven't ran into the right people yet. I've had some really bad experience with some people, but I just feel like I have not ran into the right person to just like give my hair to just like try my hair out yet. But you know, I'm the type of person that I don't give up. I just keep going for what I want. Just like Fashion Nova, they're gonna sponsor me one day. Okay? Tell Fashion Nova to sponsor me also. This is one of their, well, I've had this for like a whole year. Or this last year on my birthday. But this is one of their little pieces. But I only wear Fashion Nova. They need to sponsor me, period. KO hair and Fashion Nova. It's the look. It's the look. But yeah, so it's your girl Tasha. I was just tuning in. Show y'all. My hair keeps sticking over here. My hot comb is at the boutique. You know, that hot comb will just get that mug down. But this is Tasha here. I just got on here to show y'all my quality hair because I'm trying to let y'all, let's get into it, all of us. Everybody watching this video, let's get into it, okay? I know y'all watching this video like, damn, her hair looks good. Damn, yes. Come get you some. KO Hair, Knockout Hair Collection. Hair by Tasha. Follow me on my Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah. So I'm about to check out on y'all hoes. Period. Your girl Tasha. Good weave. Or no weave. Period. Cut that shit off.